What's up, guys? Sam here from Hustle to Invest, and today I'm going to show you guys how I made $20,000 helping a small business gain access to capital so that they can buy inventory and materials along with equipment for their business. But first, what I want you to do is click the link in the description and download the WeBull app, make a deposit into the WeBull app, and you'll receive up to 12 free stocks for doing that, which will help you start your journey to generational wealth and prosperity, guys. Also, if you are in need of funding, there's a link below. We'll be able to help you with that. And finally, if you are interested in learning how to become a commercial business loan broker, please click the link below in the description. And I have a set of videos for you where I'll teach you how to do that for free. So, how did I make $20,000 helping a small business receive funding for their needs? That's quite simple, guys. I actually got this deal closed yesterday, and it was 7 months in the making. So it took a while, but we ended up getting it closed. It should have moved much faster than that, but we ended up actually getting it closed. This was a deal that was sent to me by a referral partner of mine. This came from a referral partner that I was actually just on the phone. I was off. It was during the summertime, and I was just hitting the phones, guys. I was calling as many people as I could, and I met this lady. She was a realtor in Oklahoma, and she referred me to this guy. She was actually a real estate agent. So that goes to show you how important it is to build relationships in this business. Again, real estate agents, realtors, accountants, lawyers, any type of professional relationships that you can build, they are going to be beneficial to you in this space. So she sent me this it was a lead at the time, and we uncovered that he owned 75 acres of land in the middle of nowhere, Colorado. Literally, it wasn't in a city or anything. It was in a rural area, 75 acres. We ended up getting him a desktop appraisal, which is literally going on to Zillow or going on to Google Maps in the assessor's office and getting just a bare bones appraisal. Okay, we got him 50% of the value of the land. The land was worth $400,000. We got him $200,000 in cash. Okay, typically these deals take 30 days to close, and it took a little bit longer because the gentleman, he had some things going. He had a couple of things that he needed to receive in order for him to take the money before he was able to take the money. So we had to wait on that. But again, it finally got closed yesterday. Now, what did we use? What was the vehicle for him to get that money? Well, we used what was called a sales leaseback. And this is a form of working capital in which the business owner will use the land or real estate as collateral or leverage for them to get a loan from the bank. Okay, and this particular bank, they will lend up to 50% of the value of raw land. They also do real estate, commercial real estate, and residential. Okay, so he turned in the necessary paperwork. I took an application. I took some bank statements, it was a few months worth of bank statements, and we had the title deed that he had because he owned the actual land. We submitted that to our lender, and our lender did some title work. They did, they went through their appraisal process, and essentially, like I said yesterday, he ended up closing that deal. So now he has $200,000 to do with what he needs or what he pleases for his business, which was get some equipment. He needed some, and this is a manufacturing company, by the way. It's a manufacturing company, and he needed to get more inventory. So that $200,000 helps him a lot, right? And we get paid a commission. So on that deal, the commission was $20,000. Okay, and you know, you can imagine what you can do with $20,000 as far as investing it. All right, and that's why we say go ahead and get that WeBull app so that you can hustle, do what you got to do, whatever your hustle is, whether you got a job, whether you got, you know, a business, whatever, get that money and invest it. So that's all I have for you guys today. Sales lease back. If you're looking to become a broker, hit those links below. If you need funding and you want to check out a sales lease back or look into it for your own business to see if we can get you funded, hit the link below, contact me, and we can discuss that. But that's all I had. I'm gonna get out of here because these flies are killing me. I'll see y'all on the next video.